Okay. Rain has stopped for the time being. Morning. You're up so early. Take care. Okay, here I am. 6:30 in the morning here in Barrio, Barretto. Morning. How are you? Take care. Somebody lost a perfectly good pair of shoes. No parking on both sides. Both sides of what? That marker? I don't know. Okay. Right here by the coffee shop restaurant. Advertised 24 hours a day, the Rooftop Hotel. And right here across from the Arizona. Take care. Uh-huh. Yeah, those truck drivers. Morning. Wala flooding? Meron? All right. Well, it don't look like it flooded here, which is really surprising because a lot of times it does flood in this area. This area is called 164. You can usually tell when it floods because it's so muddy. Okay, the Subic Pearl Hotel. Even though it rained a lot, it doesn't look like there's no flooding. Hello. Morning. Okay, just out here roaming around early in the morning. Sound you're hearing is from the jail. Morning. Well, even though it's a rainy day, people still got to go to work. You know, just because it rains, don't mean you got the day off. gonna rain? Condition of those clouds looks like it's gonna pour. Just have to wait and see. As of right now, it's dry right now. Well, when I say dry, I mean it's not pouring down rain. Morning! They've got a boat there. I think that's for rescue. Hell, the rescue boat's full of water. Not joking, there must be 12 inches of water in there.
You live now along the highway?
Yeah. But so noisy, you know? And always dusty. Yeah. How about you?
Gomez, always flooded.
Oh, you live on Gomez?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's where I lived before.
Yeah.
So did Gomez flooding last night?
Yeah, until now.
Really? Wow. Okay, that's the jail there. So far I've been lucky, it hasn't been raining. This is Rizal Street here in we call it 164. Okay, that's the Subic Pearl Hotel there. Looks like they put sheet metal on the side. Huh. Make no sense, but who knows what people do. Another view of the Subic Pearl Hotel. Yeah, looking at that clouds, I think it's gonna pour. Morning! At least you're getting home before the rain. I didn't want to shoot a video of her because I respect her. Okay, shout out to McCoy's Sorry Store and McCoy's Canteen and McCoy's Beach House. And if you need soft drinks delivered, beer, contact McCoy, right? He delivers everywhere.
We also deliver girls.
Oh, really? Okay, well, it's okay. Oh, that's clouds are bad. Well. So far, no rain.